Hey guys, I am Kyle, and today I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can set up Shopify for international shipping. Alright, so now here we are on Shopify, and the first thing that we will do is we're gonna go here into our settings tab on the bottom left of our screen. And before we go into the shipping and delivery, we're gonna go here into our plan because it is very important that you have a subscription plan here in Shopify. In that case, you won't face any unnecessary errors when you're setting up your shipping and delivery for international shipping right here. And as you can see right here, my plan is only $1 per month on the advanced Shopify plan right here instead of $400 per month right here. So you can also use this price or this discount by availing the link in the description below, so you can only pay $1 per month for the first 3 months here in Shopify. And now let's proceed into shipping and delivery right here on the left side. As you can see right here, click on this one. And then from here, we'll be setting up our shipping right here under the general shipping rates right here. So to do that, we simply need to click here. And from here, we can create, you can add a rate right here on this location right here. So this will be the region. And this is our location right here, and click on add rates and click new rates, click on done. And then from here, you want to create a zone right here in which you are going to be shipping internationally. So let's say we want Canada, or you could just go for international right here and you will be selecting everything right here. But if you want specific countries, then you can just manually check it themselves, and you can just go and search for this one. Let's say US, and you can go over United States and the zone name. So let's say zone number 1 and click on done once you are done. Or you could just add more countries or regions in the markets if you want to or need to right there. So now we have added, and now let's add a rate right here. So click on add rate, and from here we can set up our own rates, or we can use a carrier or app to calculate the rate for us. So in my case, I'll just go set up my own rate, and I'll name this rate number 1. And then from here, I'm gonna go for maybe 500 pesos. So this is around $12, I think. And click on done right there. And then from here, we have the rate, and we now have our shipping zone right here. And you can always add more as long as it wasn't added to another zone. For example, this is already added to zone number 1. So I'm just gonna go and add zones right here that wasn't added yet. Then I can go for number 2, and then I can go again for another rate for the number 2 shipping zones right here. So this will be the number 2 rates right here, and I'm gonna go name this 700 right there. And then as you can see right there, so now we have those right there. And that is basically how you can set up your international shipping right here. You added the zone, the location, and the prices right here are the rates in your shipping origins. And then just like that, we are now done setting up our international shipping rates and so on right here. And you can also start shipping to more places if you'd want. You can go to markets, and you can learn more about markets if you're interested in that. But with just this setting alone, I think we have already covered the international shipping right here on our store. And all that's left is to click on save right here. Click on save right there. And that's it. We're basically done for this tutorial on how to set up your international shipping on Shopify.